You tell me when you're ready and I'll shoot. You ready? I'm gonna shoot. He'll probably run. I think I can hit him enough. Yeah. He got some lead in him.